Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this video reflects my personal experience using the tool. Today, we're exploring the user retirement income website, found at usaa.com/inet/wc/retirement-income. This resource provides a wealth of information for those planning their retirement or already enjoying their golden years. USAA has a long-standing reputation for serving military members and their families, and this platform reflects their commitment to financial security. On this site, you'll discover tools and resources to help you navigate the complexities of retirement income planning. Whether you're looking to understand different income streams, considering annuity options, or strategizing your withdrawals, this website offers valuable insights. You can explore topics such as Social Security benefits, managing investments during retirement, and creating a sustainable income plan. The site likely offers calculators and other interactive tools to help personalize your retirement strategy based on your individual circumstances. It's important to remember that planning for retirement is a crucial step toward ensuring a comfortable future, and resources like the User Retirement Income site can provide the guidance and support you need. It's designed to empower individuals to take control of their financial future and make informed decisions. So, if you're a user member, or even if you're simply researching retirement planning options, I encourage you to visit usaa.com/inet/wc/retirement-income and see how these tools and resources can benefit you. Remember, the sooner you start planning, the better prepared you'll be to enjoy a secure and fulfilling retirement. Exploring the various options available to you is a smart financial move, and this website can serve as a valuable starting point. Don't forget to check out the additional resources and links provided in the description below for more information on retirement planning and financial management.